This article will guide you on how to remove your Samsung account without a password. Way 1. Delete Samsung account without password via Settings. Go to Settings. Scroll down to Accounts and Backup. And then click Manage Accounts. Select the Samsung account you want to remove. Click the Remove button, and then confirm your selection. Click Sign Out. You will be prompted to enter your password. Click Verify with what I'm email. Tap Send Email and go to Inbox. Go to the inbox of your email address to verify your identity. And then return to the Settings app of your phone to remove your Samsung account. Click on Forgot Password line. You can reset the account password via email or recovery number. Now you can use the new password to remove your Samsung account from your phone. Tip: how to remove FRP lock on Samsung. Considering that some users are used to logging into a Google account instead of a Samsung account on their Samsung phones, if you factory reset your device without logging out of your Google account, then you will be stuck with the FRP lock. So how to bypass Google account verification after reset? Connect your Samsung phone to your computer with a USB cable. Go to iSendShare official website. Download and install iSendShare Android Password Genius on your computer. Then launch the software. Make sure the Samsung US drive for mobile phone is installed. Choose Unlock Google Lock FRP. Click the Start to proceed. Select your device OS version to bypass FRP. Tick the option All Android versions give priority to the new method in 2023. Then click the Next button. Follow the steps below to set up your Samsung device. Click on the Next button. Then the software will send a message to your Samsung phone. Tick the option and click the OK button on your phone. Click the Next button on the software. The FRP is successfully removed from your Samsung phone. That's all there is to today's topic. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you succeed in one of the methods. If you like the tutorials on our channel, please subscribe to us.